So right now we're going to be using the acetone on the cotton balls just to remove the factory finish from the shoe so we can begin painting. Right now I'm going to be using my sander to remove the factory finish as well. And you can get a smoother finish on the surface when you're using this kind of method. After you begin removing the factory finish, you want to put your tape just around the edges of the shoe so no paint gets on the sole of the shoe, because it's really hard to remove paint off the sole. So this is just how I draw my roses. I use a stencil at first, but then I just freehand it. So this is just my way of doing roses this way. As you can see, like the reference materials in the background to the left side, and I'm just using a pen to outline it and just create like the basic shapes before I actually start painting it. So the first step, I'm going to be adding neutral colors like the grays, the light pinks, and just stuff like that, just to get like the darkness in first. I always go from dark to light. This is just my means of using it. So I'm going from dark to light, as you can see. And the same thing with the rose petals. I use the dark greens first, and I can always add white or light to it. So right now I'm going to be using the airbrush, and I'm going to be using the color black. This is just going to add some depth and some detail to the roses right quick, especially along the surface areas, just to give it some depth. Right now we're going to put a little detail working along the edges of the roses and begin touching up areas we missed, as you can see.